Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you were fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. So, welcome to NIV's Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National International School, Morningshift. Today, I am going to conduct an English literature class for class 1 students. Our today's topic, Unit 4 discussion. So, my dear students, open this book. New Success Buzzword 1 and go to page number 34, the Pet Doctor. So, my dear students, let's see our today's topic, class 1, subject English literature, topics Unit 4, the Pet Doctor, reading. Lecture 10, no SW today, teacher Ariful Islam, this is my contact number, today's date, and term half-yearly examination. So, my dear students, let's read this book. You can see this is the book. So the Unit 4, the Pet Doctor. These are the animals, and when animals fall sick, we go to a doctor. This doctor is called vet. Okay, so let's go. We'll learn today. Unit 4, the Pet Doctor. These are the animals. So this unit starts with, do you have a pet? Pet means animals. Pets are our animal friends. We must take care of them. What do we do when a pet is hurt or sick? When a pet animals, when animals or pet is hurt or sick, what do we do? So this is the doctor. These are the animals. You can see in the book the colorful pictures. This is the vet, and these all are the animals or pet animals. Okay, so we go to a vet. So what is a vet? Who is a vet? Sorry, a vet is a doctor for animals. So this is the vet, and the vet is giving treatment to the animal. So vets look after sick animals and make them well. Look after means take care. They help animals to be strong and healthy. Vets are not afraid of animals, because if the vets are afraid of animals, they will not treat the animals. They love them. They know a lot about animals and birds. The vet, the doctor of the pets, is reading a book, and there is a picture of the lion you can see in a book. Vets help us take care of our animal friends. So we're again reading, boys and girls, Unit 4, the Pet Doctor. So do you have a pet? The unit starts with the questions. Do you have a pet? Do you have a pet animals? Pets are our animal friends. So who are pets? Pets are our animal friends. We must take care of them. What do we do when a pet is hurt or sick? What do? We go to a vet. We go to a vet. So who is a vet? A vet is a doctor for animals. So this is a vet, and a vet is a doctor for animals, not humans. So vets look after sick animals and make them well. They help animals to be strong and healthy, strong, powerful. Vets are not afraid of animals. They love them, because if the vets are afraid of the animals, the vets cannot give treatment to the animals. Okay? They know a lot about animals and birds. Vets help us take care of our animal friends. So vets are very important for our pet animals, because they give the treatment and they do not afraid of the animals. Okay, boys and girls. So thanks for watching this class. Keep practicing at home about your parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.